My name is Rama Carl. I am Professor of Digital Media and Animation at Florida Gulf Coast University. In this rigging series, I've been demonstrating how to create a clean, reusable character rig from a mesh. If you've made it this far, we're ready to build an IK rig for keyframe animation starting from our FK rig. And we're starting with our FK rig that already has bones and skin bound together. We do need the joints to not be locked, so we're going to go to the attribute editor and we're going to unlock these attributes. We're just going to still keep them in identity. Under definition, we're going to choose this first icon, and that will be to create an IK rig. So when I click this button, I get what are called IK controls, which give me useful keyframe animation controls. So this gives you a motion with the arms that feels natural if you're going to pose a character. That is, I can move the end of the IK control, which is called an end effector, and that lets me pose the character. And the joints are automatically oriented. The arms are automatically oriented to match that. I can rotate the hand to get whatever pose I want, and it also includes controllers for the hips, and the body will move as expected for the character if you're going to do keyframe animation. I can move the feet independently. So a well-rigged character will give you these controls. Using Mayo's auto rigging, we can basically take an FK rig, our forward kinematic rig, and create an IK rig from it that gives us this very good, useful control for keyframe animation. So I could save my file here. That's probably a good idea. I'm going to save this under a different numbered file. And call that my IK rig. That's it. Now you have a clean IK rig, which you can animate using keyframe techniques. In the final upcoming video, we'll see how to create an MC rig so that you can animate efficiently and realistically using motion capture data.